Many people think that living frugally means giving up all the things they love. But that's not true. You can still enjoy your life while being smart about your spending. Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will discuss money saving tips for beginners, frugal living tips. So please sit back and relax because we are about to teach you everything we know about saving money. Tip number 1. Pay with cash. One often overlooked way to save money is to pay with cash instead of credit. Shoppers tend to be more mindful of their spending when using cash. When shoppers use credit cards, they often spend more money than they would if they were using cash. This is because it is easy to lose track of how much money has been paid using a credit card. In addition, credit card companies often charge fees for things like late payments or exceeding the credit limit. These fees can add up over time, so it is generally cheaper to use cash than a credit card. Finally, paying with cash can help to build discipline and good financial habits. When people buy something with their hard-earned money, they are more likely to think carefully about whether or not they need it. As a result, using cash instead of credit cards can help people save money in the long run. Tip number 2. Automate your finances. By setting up automatic payments for your bills and savings, you can ensure that your money is going where it needs to go without thinking about it. This can help to prevent impulse spending, as you'll be less likely to have extra cash on hand that you can fritter away. Automating your finances can help you stay on top of your budget, as you'll be able to see exactly where your money is going each month. And if you ever do find yourself with a bit of extra cash, you can constantly adjust your automated payments accordingly. Tip number 3. Make a budget and stick to it. Making and sticking to a budget is one of the simplest and most effective ways to save money. By taking a proactive approach to your finances, you can avoid wasteful spending and ensure that your money works for you. A budget also forces you to be more mindful of your spending, which can help you make better choices about where to spend your money. And if you find yourself slipping up, don't be discouraged. A budget is a flexible tool that can be adapted to your changing needs. The most important thing is to get started and to keep at it. With some discipline, you'll be surprised how quickly those savings start to add up. Tip number 4. Negotiate lower rates for services. There are many ways to save money, but one of the best is to negotiate lower rates for services that you use regularly. This can be a great way to reduce your monthly expenses and free up some extra cash. Cable, internet, and cell phone providers are all companies that typically offer discounts for customers who are willing to negotiate. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Firstly, do your research. Knowing how much other companies charge for similar services will give you a good starting point for negotiation. Secondly, be prepared to walk away. If the company you're negotiating with isn't willing to budge, be ready to take your business elsewhere. Finally, know your worth. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Remember that the provider wants your business and is likely willing to work with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Tip number 5. Be insured. Everyone knows that insurance is essential, but not everyone realizes just how crucial it can be. Everyone should have at least 2 types of insurance: health and property. Health insurance protects you from the high cost of medical care. In contrast, property insurance covers your home or apartment in case of damage from fire, theft, or other disasters. While the monthly premiums can be expensive, The peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected is priceless. And if you do need to use your insurance, you'll be glad you had it. So don't wait until it's too late. Get insured today. Tip number 6. Cancel subscriptions. According to a recent study, the average American household spends $237 monthly on subscription services. That may not seem like a lot, but it adds up to nearly $3,000 a year. And while some subscriptions are essential, such as cable or internet service, others are discretionary, such as streaming video or music. If you're looking for ways to save money, cutting back on discretionary subscriptions can be a great place to start. Not only will you save money each month, but you'll also declutter your life and simplify your routines. So take a close look at your subscriptions and consider which ones you can live without. Chances are, you can find at least a few you can cancel without missing them. And that could make a significant impact on your bottom line. Tip number 7. Save money on utilities. One of the easiest ways to save money is by reducing energy consumption. You can take several simple steps to lower your energy bills without making significant changes to your lifestyle. Start by ensuring that your home is well insulated. This will help to keep heat in during the winter and out during the summer, which can make a big difference in your energy consumption. You should also seal any cracks or gaps around doors and windows to prevent heat from escaping. Additionally, consider replacing any old appliances with energy-efficient models. While these measures may require an initial investment, they will quickly pay for themselves in lower energy bills. Finally, remember to turn off lights and electronics when they are not in use. By following these simple tips, you can impact your energy consumption and save money on your utility bills. Tip number 8. Choose your priorities. When saving money, it's essential to choose your priorities. What are you trying to save for? A new car? A down payment on a house? Or are you just trying to build up your emergency fund? Once you know what your priorities are, you can start making a plan. If you're trying to save for a specific goal, like a down payment on a house, you'll need to set aside a particular amount each month. Automating your savings can help make this easier. You can set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account, and you'll never even see the money leaving your account. If you're just trying to build up your emergency fund, you may not need to set aside as much this month. But automated transfers can still help. You can start small with just $50 or $100 each month. Then, if you ever have an unexpected expense, you'll have the money to cover it without putting it on a credit card and racking up debt. Finally, tip number 9. Live below your means. Most people understand the basic concept of saving money. Don't spend more than you have. However, in today's society of easy credit and immediate gratification, it can be easy to forget this simple rule. As a result, many people are in debt and struggling to make ends meet. One way to avoid this trap is to live below your means. In other words, don't buy things you don't need or can't afford. This may seem complicated, but it is essential for financial stability. It may mean making some sacrifices in the short term, but in the long run, it will pay off. So before making any purchase, ask yourself if it is something you need. If the answer is no, you can live without it. While there are many ways to save money, these tips should provide a good starting point for anyone looking to get their finances in order. With a little effort, you can start putting more money back in your pocket each month and begin working towards your financial goals. Have you tried any of these methods for saving money? What tips do you have for beginners? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.